Hello and welcome to my channel. Mimi here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time to my channel, certainly welcome, and please don't leave without liking my content and subscribing to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to see me once again. What I want to do for you today is show you how I style my mantle behind me using some of the items that I have in my home already, as well as some items that I have thrifted. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with styling my mantle. The mirror is the backdrop for this styling. It has been cleaned and it is also positioned in the middle of the mantle. Next, I'm going to overlap a large piece of artwork with a scenic view of tall green trees, blue skies, and a winding river. So many times I feel like I could just get lost in this piece of artwork. It's my husband's favorite, and the black frame with the gold inset is perfect for this styling. I'm using SAWGRASS to add more greenery by placing it behind the artwork, and I'm also going to place another piece of it behind the mirror. So this is the canvas for my mantle styling. I can now start to come in with some of the items that I own or some items that I also thrifted. Starting with a deep red cover book that I borrowed from my husband's library. It has some gold lettering on it, and it's going to be perfect to elevate this beautiful gold oval container that I thrifted. It's just a wonderful addition to this mantle styling. Now next I'm going to add for symmetry 2 candle holders, and I also have some battery operated candles in there, and I did embellish those on a different video, and I think that just takes that class level up a little bit more by adding that to the mantle. And now I'm going to add a large green embellished candle that is supported by a black candle holder to the side of the artwork. And that's just to give a little bit more balance to that side of the mantle. The final touch is the floral arrangement that I created using this beautiful candlestick holder that I thrifted from Goodwill. The shape and the texture of the candlestick holder blends in well with the aesthetic of the setting. I'm attaching a video at the end to show you how I made the floral arrangement with the candlestick holder as the base. Absolutely beautiful. I think it just really blends in with the styling, with everything else that is on the mantle. I love the softness and the old world feel that this mantle styling is invoking. For me, it is a great mixture of romance with traditional elements and contemporary styling. I hope this gives you some inspiration as you look around your home for things that you can use to either style a mantle or a buffet. This would also look great on that type of setting as well. Just by thrifting a few small DIYs here and there and things around your home, you can create your own treasures and a wonderful space for you and your family to enjoy. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I certainly appreciate that, and I hope that you like my content, and certainly please come back for more. I do a lot of thrifting, and I would really love to show you how I thrift and how I style my items within my home. And as always, whatever you do and wherever you go, be blessed.